Here's how to activate Windows 10. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First you will need to go to your search bar here. Then here in the search bar I'm gonna type in activation settings. Now here I'm gonna click on this open button to open the settings. After waiting for a while it will open this page here. Now as you can see it's showing a message that my window is activated. But if it is not, you will see the message activate your window here. Now to activate window you have to click on the change product key option. After that here you have to simply add your product key. This product key will come in email from whoever sold or distributed Windows to you. Once you enter your key, now you have to click on the next button and then you will receive an activation code. Then you have to enter your activation code and then click on the OK button. After that your Windows will be activated. So this is how you can activate Windows 10 on your laptop or PC.